Today we are exploring the art of rustic jute rope, decorated bottles crafts turning simple everyday bottles into soulful, timeless decoration. These rustic pieces don't just beautify your home, they also invite calm, mindfulness, and a deeper sense of connection with nature. In this video, we try to give you the rustic, beautiful, Geotrope craft, burlap craft. Rustic decor has a charm that's hard to describe. It feels natural, warm, and real. Unlike shiny, store bought decor, rustic crafts carry the marks of your hands. Slight imperfections that make them perfect. Now imagine a glass bottle wrapped in jute, natural jute rope, painted with earthy colors and decorated with simple jute rope patterns. These soothing nature inspired geometric that echo balance and harmony. Triangles, circles, lines, and spiral. These shapes are everywhere in nature, from leaves to seashells, from the stars above the roots beneath our feet. When we bring these patterns into our crafts, we are reminding ourselves of that universal balance. Rustic jute rope craft are not just pretty, they tell a story of grounding, simplicity, and harmony with the earth. Let's talk about how to bring these bottles to life. First of all, you should take bottle, then cleaning and preparing about. Start with any empty bottle, wine, soda, or even a small jar. Wash it thoroughly, peel off the labels, and let it dry. This is the first mindful steps, preparing your canvas with care. Wrapping with natural materials. Use jute rope, hemp twine, or even strips of fabric. Slowly wrap the bottle from bottom to top. Each twist of the rope is like a breath, steady, calming, grounding. If you want, you can add small beads, shells, or wooden accent as you go. Painting jute rope designs. Now comes the fun part. Choose earthy colors like terracotta, burnt orange. So, viewers, these designs are really very inspirational. Paint triangle, circle, spiral, or star-like pattern. These geometric designs bring a rustic yet timeless elegance. Clay and stone embellishment. Don't just stop at decoration. Slip fairy lights inside to create a warm rustic lamp, or use it as a flower vase, a candle holder, or even a pen stand. That's the beauty of crafting. Your creativity decides the purpose. Remember, there is no wrong way. Here, each bottle you make is one of a kind, just like you. This is where the deeper magic lies. Crafting is not just about making something beautiful, it's about how it makes you feel while creating. As your hands work, your mind begins to quiet down. You are not worrying about tomorrow, task, or yesterday's mistakes. You are fully present in the now. The simple rhythm of wrapping. Rope. The gentle strokes of the paintbrush, the careful placement of a bead. All of this becomes a form of meditation. This is mindfulness in action. It reduces stress, it brings clarity of thought, it gives you sense of achievement and joy. Every bottle you complete becomes a reflection of your calm, your peace, your patience, and your creativity. Science actually supports what we feel when we craft, engaging in engage. Have a very nice and beautiful journey. God bless you all. Take care of yourself and your family members. May your home full with love and happiness, with prosperity. Thank you for watching. Have a very nice and beautiful journey. God bless you all. Wishing you a very happy festival. God bless you all. Take care of yourself and your family members. So stay blessed, stay happy, and keep your life full of happiness, and keep crafting, keep doing very well. Hope may your home fulfilled with love and happiness, prosperity. May your life blessed with many things. Thank you for watching.